We're constantly learning so many things every day. When we sit after a service and we talk about feelings, about how things went, and we're supposed to talk about something we learned, like sometimes I've got like 8 things I've learned and I'm all really excited about it.
I myself have worked in every type of environment, from catering to the private chef world, to high volume restaurants, to small fine dining restaurants, and each challenge has its own unique set of problems that you must overcome.
I think part of the reason that I love the culinary industry is that I love to learn, and every day I'm learning something new, always.
Exposing the students to this new normal, these pandemic restrictions simply provides a new set of problems to overcome and gain confidence that when you walk into any type of environment, you have the skill set and the experiences to overcome the obstacles and succeed.